How to get glowing skin at home. One of the most important aspects of a person's appearance is their clear and lovely skin. Healthy skin also makes you feel more attractive. The health of your skin is primarily determined by your skincare routine and lifestyle behaviors. Stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, pollution, sun damage from UV rays, heavy smoking, and drinking alcohol are some of the primary variables that affect the quality and texture of your skin. There are thousands of skin and beauty products on the market that promise clear, bright skin. Instead of relying on commercial products, you may improve your skin's overall health and appearance with some basic and straightforward home treatments. Lemon. Lemon is one of the most effective ingredients for promoting clear skin. Lemon's citric acid helps to keep skin clear, while its vitamin C content aids to decrease dark spots. Apply lemon juice straight from the bottle to your entire face and neck. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. After that, use cucumber slices to soften and hydrate your skin. Do this on a daily or weekly basis. Turmeric. Turmeric is an antibacterial and skin-lightening ingredient that helps to reduce scars and other markings on the skin. Mix equal parts turmeric powder and gram flour with a little water or milk to make a paste. It should be applied evenly to your skin and left on until it dries. Scrub your skin gently in a circular motion with lukewarm water to remove it. Once a week, use this solution to lighten your skin tone and eliminate scars. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has numerous skin advantages. It possesses antibacterial characteristics that aid in the killing of acne-causing germs, as well as soothing inflamed skin and healing scars. It's also an excellent natural moisturizer. An aloe vera leaf is used to extract the gel. Using a cotton ball, apply the gel on your face. Allow it to air dry for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with mild water. Baking soda. Baking soda helps to maintain skin's pH balance, which is essential for clear skin. It also aids in the treatment of acne, pimples, and spots. It also serves as a fantastic exfoliant. To form a paste, combine 1 teaspoon baking soda with 1 teaspoon water or lemon juice. Cleanse your face and gently exfoliate it with the paste. Cucumber. Cucumbers have moisturizing, nourishing, and astringent characteristics, all of which are beneficial to the skin. They can brighten your skin and give it a more youthful appearance. Cut a cucumber into thick slices and thoroughly rub them all over your face. Leave it on overnight and then rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Do this every night before you go to bed. Mint. Menthol, the major element in mint, offers cooling and relaxing effects that assist to keep skin healthy and radiant. It also has excellent healing capabilities that aid in the treatment of skin infections. In a bowl, combine 1 teaspoon mint powder, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, and 1 tablespoon Fuller's Earth. Allow for a half-hour rest before stirring to form a smooth paste. Mix the ingredients together and apply to your face and neck. Leave it on for as long as it takes to dry naturally. Follow these suggestions and utilize your preferred home remedies on a regular basis to notice benefits. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.